The HHL Energy Conference connects young, ambitious students from leading universities with experts from the energy sector. We serve as a platform for the exchange of current trends, challenges, and opportunities.
The debate of today's most significant energy challenges raises our awareness of the topic's importance. Our own personal environmental footprint can create a positive impact.
Get in contact with leading consultancies, startups, and ambitious students and face the case study challenge. Be a part of the HHL Energy Conference and shape the future together with us.